Welcome to MLPro. MLPro has a lot of machine learning and data science questions on it, allowing for users to practice and prepare for machine learning and data science interviews. A new problem is added every weekday through the Problem of the Day feature, which links to a specific problem on MLPro. Let's take a look at a very simple problem, just so we're not here for too long. The simplest problem we have right now is ReLU activation. And because I've coded this before, my solution is saved here. But if I had not, it would just come with a pass. And so let's take a look at this page step by step. So at the top left corner here, we see the name of the problem, ReLU activation. We see its difficulty, who it's written by, what category it's in. We see a picture, optional picture for the problem, as well as its description, an example test case, input and output, as well as the ability to run your own test case. And the main part is on the right-hand side here, where we want to code our solution. So the solution for this is if, and notice the autocomplete, which is very important for a nice coding experience. If x is less than 0, return 0, otherwise return x. And we can run it. It's evaluating the code, and yay, all the test cases pass. So we can share it to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Reddit. Let's say we had a syntax error. Maybe we misplaced a period here, and we ran it. Then we would get that message here, syntax error, invalid syntax, tells us the line. So let's go ahead and fix that, hit run again, and yep, all the test cases passed again. In addition to doing the problem, users may want help on it. So there's video explanations tied to problems that users can submit themselves. So here's one I posted. Here's one from a popular YouTube channel that they let me include on here. But yeah, users can submit their own problems as well. So let's go to, for example, submit a problem, and you can submit a new problem, and pretty easy to do so. A nice little form. You just put in your test cases, put in the solution code, description, image, category, and yeah, your profile, which is tied to a website link, is shared. So that's good. You can get credit for your problem. In my case, this links to my LinkedIn, but you can make it link to whatever. Sorry, my personal website, but you can make it link to whatever you want, including LinkedIn. So that's the coding. You could also have discussions for problems where users can help each other out. There's also blog posts that users can also write, and that will allow users to maybe get some help about how the problem works, the theory behind it. So those are the public-facing features on MLPro, but there's a few not yet released features. Now let me demo one for y'all. So there's the recruiter portal, and the recruiter portal is a way for companies to interview potential candidates on MLPro. So what an interviewee does is select a few problems on our platform, or they can create their own. And once they do that and send a session to an interviewee, then that interviewee sees these problems, sees the problem descriptions that we already have on MLPro, and can code the solution on the right-hand side. So during a live interview, the user, the interviewee, and the interviewer can both see in real time any changes to the code that the interviewee is making. So it's just like being there in person. Also, it allows for real-time audio communication. So right now, there's no interviewer on the other side, but if there were, I could be communicating with them through the audio. And just as we have in the main problems, we can run the test cases here, which helps to make a streamlined interviewing experience, which is very exciting. So that's what we have right now. Many features are going to be added to this platform in the next few weeks, and including especially on the enterprise side of things. So I'm very excited to share these new developments as they come. But for now, please check out MLPro, submit a problem, and provide any feedback you want. Send it to peter@mlpro.io. That is my email. Thank you so much for listening, taking the time, and have a great rest of your day.